Functions of brain. Functions of left and right hemispheres. The left hemisphere appears to be dominant in most people. It controls speech, comprehension, rationality, and logic. The right hemisphere is no dominant in most people, sometimes called the creative brain. The right hemisphere is associated with affect, behavior, and spatial perceptual functions. Look at this right hemisphere and left hemisphere. Functions detail going on. Right hemisphere, left hemisphere. Right hemisphere art, awareness, left analytical thought. Right creativity, left logic. Imagination, language. Intuition, reasoning. Insight, science and maths. Holistic thought, writing. Music awareness, number skill. Left hand control, right hand control. Look at this picture. Right hand controlled by left brain or left hemisphere. Left hand controlled by right hemisphere. So look at this picture. Right cerebral hemisphere functions. Left side motor coordination. Left brain functions. Right brain functions. Left brain small pictures. Right brain concern big pictures. Verbal communication, non-verbal communication. Small muscle control, large muscle control. Intelligence quotient, emotional quotient. Bad reading, comprehension. Math, calculation, maths, reasoning. Processing information, interpreting information. Conscious actions, unconscious actions. Positive emotions, negative emotions. Receiving auditory input, interpreting auditory input. Linear and logical thinking gets abstract concepts. Curious and impulsive actions, curious and safe actions. Like routine, sameness, like newness and novelty. Activates immunity, suppresses immunity. Four lobes of brain and its functions. Each hemisphere is divided into one frontal lobe. Control voluntary body movement, including movements that permit speaking, thinking, and judgment formation. Emotional experience such as fear, aggressiveness, depression, rag, euphoria, irritability, and apathy. These types of lobe: frontal lobe, parietal lobe, occipital lobe, temporal lobe. Some more picturization: frontal, parietal, occipital, temporal. So this is the lymphatic system. Second, parietal lobes. The parietal lobes control perception and interpretation of most sensory information, including touch, pain, taste, and body position, and language interpretation. Three, temporal lobes. The upper anterior temporal lobe is concerned with auditory functions, short-term memory, sense of smell, expression. For occipital lobes, look at this picture. The occipital lobes are the primary area of visual reception and interpretation. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.